9 minutes after 3, pure 95.7. I can see on some no, and yade bremo the afternoon's edition of Pure Sports. Your friend me kwabna free or be now friend will be tries. Metnam I'm a bright can come buedo chamo. Ayade ajumedi kesi because we fear into your penino age na sports team na nem I'm a bibiaso etmia today. And every day be kwama no ne yebesa be fear nsem no dos wo fear na Legon City nsem kakra wa ha. Na sika na Legon Cities for no essay anaju bia omode bobo ewa Accra Sports Stadium no omo PRO na chirechim na enye sika ketwa o na Legon Cities for no omutua na ho nsem nyina eso ewo ha omaho boaboa ahead of the new Premier League season no so no ho nsem ye bete every openye friend Kwame Jomo Ajiman PRO for Legon Cities na ho nsem kakra eso ha e be kwa national teams Black Starlets, Black Satellites, Yaw Preko, Benfoko, Karim Zito num nyina no omode omonsem amane na awie yebema yetiefo so aso atumi ate ebekọ the Ghana Football Association aso omode krata atenten aba efa branch friend Felix Opon and of course the transfer matching system na bebre na friend of TMS no ehonsem nyina no ye de ebeto yetiefo so anim na chese de ho eso eno no akasima be dunum na ye de dwumade na ba na wie ne baba makwanya na also atumi afre na also atumi akyere wadwen ewo dwumade no so yeah, live on Facebook, Pure FM Ghana, Pure FM Ghana. Obetumi akọ na chese de obia no so no. Wetumi ahwe ewo internet and social media and Facebook ne so na chese bibia so etumi atodin. Andy Casillas atenase ode ebe Raman on 10 so kai say na G UEFA Champions League football is again on the road. Day 2 of group stages games no nra senior Manchester United wuremo the Parc des Princes ekoshe Paris Saint-Germain kam mienu omo team baako SS Lazio tina fie ehye Dortmund kam yensa ema omo team baako no ye be hwese ne anwumrei 4:55 Real Madrid against Shakhtar Donetsk, Bayern Munich against Atletico 7 p.m. and of course lots of interesting games. Midtjylland nomine Man City nomine Ajax and Liverpool nomina no omo jina kono Andy Casillas be the very latest free amount for Nkro. So Andy Obi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Nana.
Na bibia boko dia.
Na adom bibia ye kama pa.
Fantastic.
Yes,
na lunch no here any day. Also why the packaging kakra. But packaging rubber nefe.
Ene Christian Diano ene odie ya share way ni nyina chese one colorful.
Yes. Rubber kwenkwen.
Oh yes.
Well, serious branding no. Kwen pa na chese any taste ni branding ni nyina no.
Too much. Rubber can dey pure. Rubber kwen ya pure.
Enya grow. Na Andy Casillas then ekoso wa manone.
Obi, said udi kare to atiefo anim no. Nwumre UEFA Champions League 2020-2021 group stages day 2 matches ebeba so na teams nigu so prepare. On say Madrid yen kwa 455 years.
55 years. I was saying yes sharp no point na way bass because na say no. Na say no say ya Benzema musi here ni omanu. Miama go hebia.
Yes.
Asem to me.
Obi me one video bi ohun.
Okay.
Madrid because of COVID-19 on say no players no dress or dressing room.
Okay.
On say ma obi address every the room no aba.
Okay.
Na Alfredo Di Stefano stadium wa again we baso no Madrid dressing room said there almost players no on say initially nka jerseys ne there ya go dressing room
yeah
will be a lockem
yeah
akoshe
yeah
but we there will be a room a hotel room
okay into bed dressing freedom and some about dress okay
pure cameras
into omo dressing room bi man
second half no there
omo dressing room but ube free them na stadium. Okay. Okay.
Now, Mabisi Akaino.
Fantastic. Now that will be good to watch.
Yes, pure camera no capture. Where Marcelo Jesse, Tony Cruz Jesse.
Oh, okay. Live now.
Video na go on Facebook.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Room on Maso.
Essential room. Oh, Nivea ne that one no.
Also sponsor man.
Just cinema one near somehow the other far for one to the other run.
The omo office akoya adwuma o.
Okay.
On said your bar who lazy me amuno. Omo so office no. Tinya so mo ko akodi agro. Okay. Madrid dress on in you Asensio near the Bibia the go no we so Marcelo Benzema Tony Kroos enti we no o dress na de aba nya afi na o dress room
your mouth hair cream shampoo out before na de before motuo yes obobo na wie na chese nunu scent bia
o so Jesus so ape no dia nya afi na be
na ju Jesus Jesus ben makoji ma me fa color na ya room ka
sa ba dressing room no ahead of and now you game against Shakhtar Donetsk.
Professional. Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, say corner office. Said the bank be corner office no. Said the obi bed juma lazy me no. Christian bonus wa na come and
ya Christian mum. Na me media. Esa media.
Na di wa lazy me come and
no man.
Oh, Shakhtar no she said.
No man na Germany. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yes.
I'm just expecting a modern mono na here. Now me to me I reflect. Okay, Andy. Ya mouse manu be dunum. Wow. Na yenwram ni anhwe. Ye be call Galka for so aso ye. Ye be call National Sports Authority aso. O me wo so mu cheche mu de nti afei na o mada adwen ho atwe sa krata na nra na edi ho abobo na afei no matwe asan no. Ncheche mu kakra so etumi aba. Na ho nsem kakra no so eno no. Ena no pay information bi ba say Kaleba Mankwa osi akan ma Aduana Stars no. We rock Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ya all your medicals. Na abrantie na mu se o nchechemu kakra o de man pure 95.7 inti Andy in 10 terms so no yenhu the trending stories from the foreign front.
Right, live on Pure 95.7 FM, Pure FM Ghana on Facebook. Oh, join na fe no. Wonso what me I like na watch me share video ne kama yedin sam no. Kakra bi enso e de match for said the career to get knowledge UEFA Champions League matches ne be so live commentary of course. Enso be try live on Pure 95.7 FM. Na me pa to said me di video na so timi de ma wono. Eno e Bobo conference remodeled ahead of the area. E 4:55 for more bonso de tia Shakhtar Donetsk. Enti said your COVID-19 and sweat me about the football no running P and sweat me as supporters and sweat me in stadium the way and said Madrid almost team them penny fire and the ama players said the nanky and say players no we must free pass in one not walk dressing room mark dress kama say I didn't sweat me and it's somewhere on Facebook we won't say players or be a dressing room and you do Jesse na you host wo Shengard ubu tedi bi bian so beto kama won so kono akọ dress na de sifon na mun sweat me na abra game no so betin akoso e Alfredo de Stefano Stadium no we any preparations abobo conference and Madrid team no wo mo sweat me ayadiama players who join on Pure FM kind of Facebook we won say Brantier friends Marcelo Jesse we won carry Mustafa Benzema ni Jesse and after Brantier friends Tony Kroos won so say abobo bibia no kama won so ko na for dress kama na game no bibia sweat me akoso me no ka say de mo so go pramano so wo mo warm me up say the game no bibia so no eno enso betimi akoso kama ena ye di sansem no di meti for out million so enti say wo join on Facebook Pure FM Ghana wo benya akonya na fe video no wo sweat me enjoy video ni bi kama eno dia ba ye di sansem no ye di to jama waso enso etimi atibi na ma minwura me Brantier friends Jesse Rodriguez one former player the ma bobo friends Real Madrid team no say wo see kan so na club friends PSG na Jesse Rodriguez na ka say wo see okay abrado wo see akadema Madrid team no okay say e dey na obeko training Madrid na osi training no ye na jesen ko obeko earlier 2 hours before time na adia wetina impress coach no na osi 2 hours before training okoye no wokoto Brantier friends Cristiano Ronaldo wonu so training also okonya se bi okoye no na Ronaldo about okoye na oye training no bi say anako itam ben ana otimi rom training council wonu so training de was Ronaldo na da Ballon d'Or oje FIFA best player oje ni ade no wanya nwa Christian so nim say hard work and Brantier friends Ronaldo wonu so ade ye na djuma eno Brantier friends Jesse Rodriguez and I wadi sansem no so dia tuja yet tiefo show no so na make us ba muntin game no against Atletico Madrid no permit the update and so the buy wouldn't say about conference ba muntin women last 16 opening games UEFA Champions League no women lose da women draw da ni nyina win intebe against Atletico Madrid bobo kono so ebeye victory e ma ba muntin nom 17 and ansem ne bobo conference Atletico Madrid women so betia break sadia no ye betwa ne we said the sansem no eno enso betia tota ye sa update enso de to animo na de tene semba be ka cho se nyame admo next month na e was England national team no women bought one friendly game against New Zealand New Zealand for a pull out so sa game team so essence said the coronavirus course no when we did a game in best for any the mean second see England and a new opponent my friends Republic of Ireland and a reporter means I can say England for the confirm say Nyamia November 12 when enso game no bet me to ja yere san 7 so the matter for media so now okay say and none of the story be by about Chelsea opinion friends say Peter Check and Chelsea team omo squad eba no omo dinidin enso to me de kan na Didier Drogba din sembe de to ye beba na fenin no yet more enso to me de ba na mum hwade we Bobo Friends Borussia Mönchengladbach Bobo no na de tene se omunso player ba ko friends Marcus Thuram na yesi Marcus Thuram ena onunso eko training na so oko team no womunso camping base wo na wako se ne nema enso besi akọ na abra branch na eko no ena nyade aye security a wonunso e guard on ka se da bi onim sa branch na oko no enti on prove anase on prove se eyo no eno so unime me ne Marcus Thuram ena opanyin so krachi me nimo enti me patro he Facebook se sia ya the images be de to branch friends Marcus Thuram na e was oko Google na onu ankasa Google na ho editor security man ansa no man access ama onu nso atimi akontie de to Facebook live a branch friends Marcus Thuram we see academy club friends Borussia Mönchengladbach no there is a picture na brandness onu nso bie e won mobile phone so ama security man nso atimi ansa na all granting access say onu nso betimi anya akonya akwadwan any teammates no na bibia nso atimi akoso kama pictures near ready ya de to Facebook live na nso atimi enjoy sa pictures eno enso atimi de to live on Pure 95.7 FM exactly 20 years in here and I'm now opinion friends Luis Figo won so free club friends Barcelona join a club friends Madrid team no na then air president Adama Barca opinion friends Juan Casper or say young for and to yourself opinion friends Luis Figo dear Barca supporters no will be in Canada will be in fan Canada essence or any bonini was if Figo a traitor essence they know was a Barca yamanu be an omoye woman him to branch friends Luis Figo will free club friends Barcelona one also join a Bobo friends Madrid and no opinion friends Juan Casper and at this time 7 so dia tuja na and 7 doors to Uram our club friends Valencia wouldn't say Oko Valencia Bobo Kurma Nima P na kwa so dey supporters necessary niema womun so air board of directors ne ye no omo dwene ho a omo ntiase na omo enable se si coach we ko yesi nipa we asoma si enso eko omo gire se wasam penifo nso atimi ko enti dia akoso nie Bobo ko friends Valencia a section of omo supporters no womun so eko han entene ene ya drumsy ena omo so di ya directors na jinti sa we director Edima Valencia na wupia obi so we screen so a Bobo ko friends Valencia group of their supporters womo say directors no womo pam womo free team ne monko enti wo so officer na omako han sai bandwe no mbe dia begina office nanim no mo bo papa
antu nya adwen kra adwen
ubie se wo konso
no mo de ban ni di wachi
sa se free team ni mo womo mpe ni pa bia o team ni mo biem
with the innovative idea we nya
dabi
the ball nyum say o de kakra
ya ball nyum
o de kakra o de kakra na kofi why o ya adwuma kra na o ya calls o free player bi ana oni coach din komo no na ball sounds on wachi
sa say ade say ade na sia he dey just say bra o de adwuma no
ni pa me sape
say on the board omudosun directors
they make us omo bonyum no nipa me nsa pe ho
because o match team
okay
the directors no officers no and na ebi ma ko trenti be me nsa na gina so no na yes sa ban we no maza omboma dede na produce no unya so kra na ade atenasi ti openye o ma boyfriend the officer sa no apie so oko and omo sa de sa no
wow
omo sa de chi so mo pa wono and no air the course but Obi, Enra on say Chelsea for name almost squad for the Premier League no 25 players at Chelsea they buy no omo de Peter Cech ni din eka ho na no ana openye friends Didier Drogba ase ono so said de na ye ndie I just say ono so etimi ewura na fe ni boots na ohange no wasan so ekopeki ni boot no na owuram ewo Chelsea kosi aka so de ma Chelsea team no enti say Chelsea for de Peter Cech de aka almost squad ne ho a openye friends Didier Drogba eso ono so ko fa ne boot or say back to Chelsea. No so be siakan. E ama bobo kwa friend say Chelsea and dey ma memfa video we emfa to ne hebi.
Andy Chelsea for 25 man squad.
Yes.
Tammy Abraham.
Yeah.
Marcos Alonso. Kepa Arrizabalaga.
Yeah.
Cesar Spilicueta. Daniel Wilfredo Caballero.
Yeah.
Peter Cech
Dikao.
James Ben Chilwell.
Yeah.
Andres Christensen. Thiago Emiliano. Olivier Giroud. Luis Jorge Filno, as in Jorginho.
Yeah.
N'Golo Kante, Mateo Kovacic, Edward Mendy, Emerson Palmieri, Christian Pulisic, Antonio Rudiger, Tomori, Timo Werner, Hakim Ziyech. Into my Barbara man free.
Yes, Barbara.
No, me Peter Cech. Sporting director. And Chelsea for problems no so. Obey Spurs not war.
Drop us so bad.
And Asian Munano, Omon prepare Balak, Asian, Ashley Cole, Mikel Obi, Jose Mourinho, John Terry, Omunina Shasia. Na Asampa na atu Chelsea.
Oh, my video, man, I mean sorry. Antoine Griezmann on say players any obubu to motion and I know me the Abrantes friend say Mohamed Salah there by said the Adidas for designing a boot no e dey ama Abrantes friend say Mohamed Salah na Antoine Griezmann said the Puma for a deliver boot no dey come Antoine Griezmann di yen video no e o Facebook live see Antoine Griezmann na hwade boot no be no dem dey sika so na Griezmann take from inti eduan we
inti nkwala cars ni bi no a remote wa chire no na the boots na sika na obi chire obi chire na fin
na Antoine Griezmann so 20 can do an way yi boot no
but onim say e ya me dwen ho Antoine Griezmann
what problem with Antoine Griezmann and
oh sanya you see eyo mo no say oba be bobo say nya ye busu fra bre no
ntika no ne
ya ye busu fro ne de asi bibi so ni abra ni atwa na wiase afa na nyina obi ahu
yeah
yes obobo papa bi o
Antoine
Griezmann I am rebasa I am rebasa now player now or call training grounds are
yes minim say Jare anya picture na nanka
because we person who play across so we mama for your fan say kotoko who do training grounds as security man is your Nemo inti jise who call Google no abo Andy Casillas now they are children say 90
to Wikipedia chance
into internet anya juma sa da no ntumi ko training no
me ti be Jare on to Facebook
Antoine Griezmann pa also ma kom kakra de no kom dina obehu ball ne bo obehe adwuma no
okay sorry nko na Jacob say Shesi a so on say period be bia be pie bia na Jacob say a wuram e wa chan okrum on say this year chan okrum this year wuram e wa chan okrum na Salabia Sport Fabio Pinto and Messi when Lionel Messi oba Messi ni bia
oh okay
e was Salabia Sport e chan okrum this year so dey na say first
oh say joint no Jacob joint pa
sao
honor independence no be Kwame Nkrumah gina Polo Grounds Jacob Patrice Beni Polo Grounds no from no ka say mo ho a that means be 3 days on your mafia okay Cassius say video ni ready anytime mama sonte na me ma eti ahwefo so hwe say player we do training grounds udru a security man si onimo entiji say uye bibi ene omonya ID card se mo na odru a ode a kire ama omatumi ahwe atumi aboa no Christian do say and UEFA Champions League games because so enem say anopa no yentumi enwramu kese semano be num yenhwe o choice as far as games no air concern na arahusema e ba no e kire say Wilfred Kobna Sesiano former House of Folk central midfielder and attacking midfielder and solid player so ya Albania ni Albania okay. Albania for also want to kwa omuku omuni Ukraine ntokwa ekoso ho no Ghanaian players. In Real Madrid, any Shakhtar Donetsk, Salzburg, any Lokomotiv Moscow, Bayern near Atletico, 7 p.m. Real Madrid Medical Kano, Inter Milan Mönchengladbach, Man City FC Porto, Olympiacos Marseille, Ajax, any Liverpool or the Johan Cruyff Stadium, Midtjylland Atlanta. What choice are there?
But before some question,
okay.
Griezmann there, Ubiao.
Okay.
Yeah, the Griezmann, the Hazard.
Hazard or the Superman. I mean, I'm real figure say Hazard bomber. But we share live on Facebook. A player now was Oyini identity and now Oyini Hochre and Sana and Pennyform and now training grounds. No, Openino say now or yeah no into your bone dino and now no the pictures nature security man say offer now who say Michelle Jesse Hannah me Juma into I was say Mami Rem na me
proper orientation
orientation as I'm there.
Now security my chairman Obeka Hodmu. Liverpool, Edion. Honestly, they have defensive problems. Already Van Dijk here out. Alisson Becker here out. And unfortunately, Obi, Mate Busakupra. Enti Fabinho call back to central defense. Fabinho kwa. Unfortunately for Liverpool, Thiago Alcantara is also missing this game. It is quite a depleted side.
Absolutely.
It almost strength na new almost the ball last season, you know. Now, honestly speaking, even with that players in available now, and almost strength in the Swati, and the quality of the players they are mixing in tonight's game, you know, it's going to affect them that big. And a park can say Dusan Tadic to score.
Yeah, Dusan Tadic.
Amazing player.
Yeah.
The last 18 games are Wabo in the Champions League. He has been involved in 13 goals.
Yeah.
On one kasa, Ash 6, I make 7 assists. And you know, Liverpool, now we did the depleted side. India, Liverpool, but they had Man City last season. And Liverpool now 18 points. Gabono. Liverpool is suffering from the same feat now at Man City last season. Can you imagine saying just one game? Oh, Messi Alisson Becker, oh, Messi Van Dijk. Fabinho go back to and Van Dijk kura and Gomez we to kura hormo a branch for the Martin crown so available and kakra but Van Dijk kono Martin Muswako akupra Emma Fabinho go back to central defense. Me assure say in today's game a very difficult for Liverpool to win.
Absolutely, it's a game I may share him say kudos Mohamed. Ebe central midfield.
From last game on the man of the match.
Yes.
Why the man of the match is Mprenu. And you know, we want to see our Ghanaian players excelling in big games like this.
Absolutely.
Also, we excelling big game and not because
yeah.
The word, I think that the word we watching around Jeffrey Kudus Mohammed.
Yeah.
And telling things for Miriam Liverpool Nendia. As you Kudus make a day. But I think the Liverpool mentality be said when you ask them to react, they have the mentality to react. And against Ajax, a very difficult there. But against Everton, I was expecting them to lose. They did not lose because of that mentality in Liverpool. And against Ajax, I think a point for Liverpool be a decent score line for Liverpool. Look at the name of 2 this season going to this game. Players are proud to go into this game. No, Menyes was say Liverpool can pick a win against Ajax. Holland.
Into final prediction, you say
a draw. Liverpool will pick a point.
Okay,
maybe 1-1, 1-1. Yeah. 1-1 for Liverpool. No matter the point to be F Holland aba.
Okay.
Since the Man City FA Papa friend Pep Guardiola in 2016, Obi, they have never gone past the quarterfinals. Last year, Obi, say they are near game part of no. We the Real Madrid film at the round of 16. But Real Madrid film we no at the quarterfinal team in Man City film Olympic Lyon. Disappointingly, so Real Madrid film there. No, be say there. Why? What do you have? What it takes to win the Champions League? But Real Madrid film we now get to a point where it matters most. Now Olympic Lyon show 3-1. You have film Champions League no there. Say the Champions League in Kwa the yardstick to measure Pep Guardiola. He has actually failed since Oba and Man City. Obianka say onye Ojia added advantage. But teams na AU mu film no Monaco any Olympic Lyon AU film there. Then there are so many questions. I'm not for able to Pep Guardiola. Again, like what is happening to Liverpool, Obi, Laporte, Benjamin Mendy, Kevin De Bruyne, Gabriel Jesus are missing this game, and that is huge. So we game let's say in fact a branch friend Kevin De Bruyne the orchestra on the bibia passes through him. So Man City baby biana it passes through him. But I think that they have so much quality to overcome FC Porto. FC Porto Nigeria last year Portuguese league, you know. But we are starting this season. Only 5 points behind Benfica after 4 games, almost 7 points, and at Benfica all 12 points. And you know FC Porto, even though say Oje last season or league, you know, you started this season they are not faring very well or Portuguese league, you know. But I think that the last time when Man City elusu a group game. Champions League group game way back in 2018 Olympic Lyon ebeshe omo. Since then, say Champions League group game Man City actually fare well. It's against FC Porto. Any FC Porto form number to this game today. I'm picking a 2-1 win for Man City against a 2-0 win for Man City against FC Porto. So say the Champions League Roby, the Yastic Bayern Munich. Last season, on say 11 games. They won all 11 games. Interestingly, Obi 11 games, you know, Bayern Munich share 43 goals. So person who do last season Obi. Liverpool edge Champions League a year before say Bayern Munich abegino. Liverpool share 24 goals. Even Liverpool share 24 goals, you know, about 2 more matches than Man City because a do quarter final home and away. 80 Bayern Munich now about 2 games less, you know. Share 43 goals at the Champions League. Liverpool edge, you know, was share just 24 goals. They were so amazing to watch last season. And you know, in fact, say in fact, you say, who are you going to mark against Bayern Munich? Lewandowski last season, actually 15 goals. Was a Champions League, you know, in a single season. Player also more goals in a single Champions League season. And Ronaldo also 17 goals. But Ronaldo about 2 games more than a branch of Lewandowski goals now. Also last season, you know. Lewandowski also 15 goals last season, you know. No sir, and he provided the most assists last season. The last season, so we Champions League now. Top scorer Lewandowski. Top assist Lewandowski. 6 assists last season in the Champions League. Why amazing player. Ono Mobobo. Bayern Munich Obi. Douglas Costa, and Kingsley Coman, not Thomas Muller, Adam Lewandowski. Amazing
Lewandowski to score. Because I don't know Lewandowski to score. Now player misro no pa Leon Goretzka. So they buy any ball now and the retisa chap now. How Leon Goretzka.
And the reason why the front four no have so much confidence to go forward and they believe say a children sorted. Leon Goretzka no FIFA no ma almost a children they don't have so many to come back and defend for because anyone they say concentrate. Lewandowski form no do come last season there. You started this season in German Bundesliga. One show say slow down. He's still a player to watch. And I think say with the firepower available for Bayern Munich, Lewandowski no LED attack, Thomas Muller behind him on the flanks, Abrante Feno, Douglas Costa and Kingsley Coman. When you're playing against Bayern Munich, it is how much you are going to prevent them from scoring. But they will score. How much are you going to score against them?
Mesa Betty Suarez to score.
Suarez
to score. Suarez to score. Bayern be winning. Lewandowski to score. Suarez to score. Fakahon.
Atletico nse goals draw than say.
There's a Bakupe. Suarez to score. And both teams to score. Bayern win 2-1. Suarez to score. Lewandowski to score.
And now you don't score so many against Atletico Madrid. Only a compact.
Yes, very compact.
Until you be brain.
Yeah.
Bayern Munich 2.
Yes. Not Suarez as a back. 2-1. Me try me bet. Suarez to score. Fantastic. Christian Adusa and the Real Champions League in Kai. Say and then you non so pepe. Now the Casillas and the bright Yeboah Taylor Atletico Madrid, Bayern Munich versus Atletico. It's as a Bayern for the elbow for mobile the Allianz Arena. Now Nano may call say Atletico Suarez to score in there. Ebeto Lukaku to score. Monshe Lukaku to score. And also Inter Milan Lukaku to score. And also Mateke. And then Karim Benzema and then Karim Benzema to score. More vim for Karim Benzema to score. Sergio Kun Aguero to score. And then so to me starting Kwadia Kun Aguero beshe go. Na and then Sado Mane to score. Sado Mane to score. some match we no a double chance. Ajax win or draw. Mimi ko 2-2. But Sado money to score. And there Sika Mafia pa dia. This ye call leave. Ye call Tinafia Kakrana. Ye dream because pressure no so. Yemrefie na yanko Legon Cities ashare in 10 terms so. Na openia ye friend no Kwame Jumajimai on Kasamafo Emma Legon Cities. Wachirem said na NSF for krata omede ba say category B match 20,000, category C match there 15,000. Say Kotokoni has there. Omo behe sika aba no na omati hu percentage na omaji omusika na opanya fe no Kwame Jumajima also ya kra the last season no near 13,500 anajubia Lagos Cities 13,500 inti ya kra no de enya de fufuro emaye
before COVID Lagos Cities as a club, especially Manchester near Bono Amajo, Manchester near Bonama, it was costing us 13,500 cedis to use our grass sports stadium. Now, this is at the time I need 13,500. We had access to 100% capacity. As in Yebetimi for up to 40,000 people at the stadium, because stadium no funding for 40,000. So even if you are spending 13,500, now you say why you were numbers at the you are very confident that if you go ahead to pay, it will make a good investment. Now, fast forward this situation. At this particular point, you need to mean 100% capacity. That is, even if we are going to make a lot of noise to get people into the stadium, because of COVID-19, you can only have up to 20% capacity. What that means is that you are losing out on your 75% potential revenue over to generating our grass sports stadium. Now, with only 25%, because of the situation with the COVID, you are not guaranteed. Imagine, I mean, even the motivation to come to the stadium, Crampo, asa now no Crampo, no, and said that any ice la.
Kwame Jumo Ajimai Kasamafo Emma Lagos Cities or say COVID-19 ya beya ya di 25% and the stadium ya ka 25% a mampanyi and she share or the buy and say stadium no fa 40,000 25% be chere say uchebu mienu a efa no asan achemu mienu na che say omatumi ewura stadium na sa 25% no ebeden omanya sa 13,500 na nkan no mutua asisia ne mpanyimfo no ya omadwen say they call 15,000 no kra no mpanyimfo atwesa krata no so atumi assign na Kwame Jumo san kirem sa Lagos Cities no omahu boaboa no ekoyi anisa.
Then I watch me do and I started pre-season, if I recall. League no besha say Jamia Doma on the weekend of November the 11th, I think. And you know, between Samria, Kusi, November the 11th, it's another plus or minus 4 weeks. Samria, the only thing you can do as a club is to either intensify a year or pre-season and hoping say they are signing now when that's what person signing obits me Ashena all over the world at the start of every season, it's two things, and you see player arrivals, player departures, and then intensifying your pre-season efforts. You did say by the start of the season there, now you have to sure say bits me improve your performance compared to the last season.
Kwame Jumo Ajimai Ninsem Kakra Eso Enono na wasachirem se afi no bisan se yenhwe ni mu se Lagos Cities de mrantia fufuro bi beka omo squad no ho ana
Only will be a deal concerning acquiring the services of the player. Until every single detail is done. And to say will be adding end to what that means to say there are probably still one or two things that have to be done and some officially confirming the arrival of player A or player B. And when everything is done, we will confirm will be our joining and also be our retreat.
Yadasi bebre Kwame Jumo Ajimai on Kasamafo Emma Accra-based football club Lagos Cities. Yankwa national teams national under 17 side the Black Starlets. Obia nimse enche na wafu tournament bi bekoso under 17 for under 17. Omo de rem ewo group B. Yade Nigeria any Ivory Coast no group bakum. Opanyi oye head coach ana ono ene tentre mrantie na e friend Benfokuo. Opanyi no ote draw no ninsemo a ode mani enie.
What are you lacking already? We are in the group. The group are come out. So it doesn't mean we are preparing for every country. I don't have any program. Group of as you are talking about, then to Africa, being a one to Nigeria. So you have to prepare for that. So we are preparing for that. We do our best to get those players on board. The competition moment is going to go. At this stage, we are just there. And Kuala Lumpur, yeah, to catch from my yes, sure, much a bit near Makoy. For a long time, the 17 to mean qualify wake up, the bit not qualify. That's exactly what we are doing.
Ben Foko coach Emma Boboku a omo ewo omamu ha omo represent and omo gina ho Emma Omaina from the Black Starlets national under 17 side no omo head coach na yete ne nka no na Karim Zito so na hwe mpanyimfo ne kakra no omo the Black Starlets omo ne di Starlets for nanim omo so ye de omo akoshe group bi mu a Nigeria any Ivory Coast and a group ni mu under 20 qualifiers aka eno so ebetumi akoso na Karim Zito na group ne baye and draw no etumi e baye ono so na dwenkyire ni.
We've been doing our best. We combine a lot of things. We are just out of physical training, in the condition. We just enter into football, and then because of the corona, we couldn't get too much matches to play. So we should have started with the low profile matches before coming down to the high. So we take this one to be one of the low profile matches. So by the time we play some more matches, about 3 or 4, I think they'll come to normal. But so far, so good, no injury, nothing. The only thing I have to tell them is to pray for us. We are going for the ultimate.
Karim Zito hiampaibo osio hiampaibo na Nigeria ni Cote d'Ivoire de enya de ketwa na look there's no gap, no space for excuses, coach. No gap or no spaces for excuses. COVID-19 mu na auto nsafre 140 players no into enya friendly match amwa me gina no so emeya yo there was how qualify one qualified the Karim wa honim say wasubeshi na ya preko akasa o se nkwala ne under 17 no mo under 20 na ne eja musa e wo se sheda pe ye pe bibi ye nkwala no broni fra no plan obo under 17 ni wie na owura under 20 a we are then na ye dey ye nkwala ya preko ne nsem wo de to dwane
de bia me atemba kwa me ka de the youth level na ye no then 40 na ye perfume then ye 40 na ye perfume when we qualify for tournament out to come in and pick the players. Okay, if you didn't qualify for the World Cup na ye ba what is next ye be talent na woman no egu ana okay now if we have to think like that then I we don't know what we are doing because we take countries like Mali, Normally, Senegal, before they start selling, now they were not qualifying for World Cups in Africa, but now they were selling because they were doing something good. When you are the youth level, I believe that you give time to the technical team to produce good players, to develop the players, put more impact into them, and make sure they become better players for the future of the senior national team. But if we have to be, it's all about tournament and go and win the tournament, then maybe as a audition no won't find show into tournament na year na mobile near good team no that players be brave or career na I come to still but if we have a structure we put things down here to say even Kwana young qualify for a major tournament near tournament to Kwana near bani good players who more because now it's getting difficult and in Nigeria say young bakuna so film bakuna be qualify even Christ so do final bakuna be qualify nti do mo ko final na Ghana Nigeria Ivory Coast na unyam ko ba na te ba ko qualifier na mo pa che nyaka ni nyina no na youth na me ko na guana no you have to put things in order and make sure say what next if we don't qualify what next boys now good ones some women what are we going to do for them or how are we going to protect them to make sure some develop to the next level easy so we need to have plan B is there because it's getting difficult and before now what you play matches home and away but now no players come majority more international okay and because someone call out that on full play that now straight away all the no call outside a tournament outside the country. Over panicking and just on because of the ginger but we saw quality in them. We saw quality in the good young ones on mobile. Until then you ask yourself if the team doesn't qualify for the next tournament now, what next? Until well always there should be plan B because it's getting difficult and there should be plan B.
Preko, former national senior national team, the Black Stars winger. Wanya Kwenya asum ewa under 17 under 20 wasasum ewa krat wokninsem kakrosia wasi enya plan B for Nkwalana yetiti omo so ebano. Now the Ghana Football Association wishes to inform all clubs that the transfer matching system will officially close on the 23rd of October. Entiano ya ichinachi na chese omatum TMS no ombetum 23rd. Busumie womia na chese bibia etumia todin. The Ghana Football Association player status committee has banned player Felix Opong from participating in all football and all football related activities for 6 months and fined him an amount of 500 Ghana cedis. Openye ekane ho asemi Felix Opong, the Ghana Football Association status committee de bane se ono so ya de tabo bi ato no so ya twena san be busumi nsia ana ya sa bonika 500 Ghana cedis. The ne boni oye enie oko player status committee ho say anka omun declare no free agent na omo so omfa ne krata amra na em say opanyin de krata ne koye no na ni date of birth one in krata no so 20th May 1998 and mpanyifo ko computer nim na ukura no register ama Asakai Sharp Arrows 2013-2014 season na records e wo ha no o san free ho ekọ kwawu na ukọ kwawu no na o sisa date of birth no na wo ye no 30th May 1998 na chese what tricky na de ko bo kwawu no o sa be pe floating status article 21 clause 1 FA disciplinary code omo ma ban no 6 months and omo san fine 500 cedis na o sa ba no akofa no original date of birth na 30th May 1998 into 20th May and 30th May just say na one year say Felix na nye den just ya no 6 months or kwa kotena fie just say nyame boa na eja kakrakra ye bibia etumi etodin emano as a Christian yeah wrap up na
well in national team coaches should not prepare our minds for failure. We are not going to take it. Obi, the same reasons no more they mind the entire more friendly games no Ivory Coast with the same reason. COVID nyega na nkwana achi ye more friendly game. How sure are we say Ivory Coast about friendly game? What is Nigeria so international friendly game biabo? We are all operating within the same limiting factors. Na yamianum ni kreni Obi. Onum say under 17 any under 20 no. So one qualify to the world stage, scout do not even come to identify your players. So one qualifier, and then scout to nina call World Cup no, and you players more there to me qualify. Now I'm call World Cup now. That is where they are going to be scouted and developed. And you know, Sieka national team players yenya through their progression from under 17 through to under 20. Ebe boy national team na adaji ebe boy. But then saying yonder 17 because they do not qualify and yet Ghana problem in so one qualify and co World Cup Nibia. No scout is going to take you from Ghana here. Obia me foul. If you want to expose our these young talented to the world of football there, Obi, they should go to the World Cup. That is where we are going to expose them to the world. If we are suffering in a bit home. Let me ask you, Obi. Say can qualify for World Cup under 17 in 1992 Kagofo ko buy Munich. It is the under 17 World Cup na Kufoko ball 1992 no. And expose no Emma buy Munich for better no. Say Kebo Africa ase nko and yan qualify to the world stage na and Kasabe Osefo e kan fi ase. Kokagana ase. Entino it's a matter of say we are not going to negotiate anything about it. The same reason I will say ABM team qualify no. Ivory Coast have the same reason. COVID nega na COVID. We have COVID, Ivory Coast have COVID. Nigeria for COVID. It's in friendly games then you be more no can never be an excuse in Cynthia Yedekako Philly. There should not be plan A, plan B. Plan A is that we must go to the World Cup. A second World Cup maybe. Now, on say under 17 years, now that 29 years, the future of the national team look bleak. Ghana ever World Cup in 2006. The first time was the progression of our work as under 20 stage now. You had call Argentina 2001 thereabout. So plus now the progress here. Omba bua me team call World Cup 2006. The Malaysian squad, Sulelu Muntari, John Mensah, John Peso squad nana. You had call Argentina 2001 and the boy Amir call 2006 World Cup. Then our best World Cup Obi was the 2010 World Cup. And just squad under 20 in 2009, the boy in 2010 World Cup. No. It is under 17 years. Young qualify for the World Cup. Now under 29 years. Who is coming to replace our aged Black Stars squad now? In fact, a matter of urgency. Qualifying for the World Cup already. Now it's almost a communal labor. Ghana must be at the World Cup because that is where we are going to expose our players to international scouter or make tomato players like we be able to develop from we. Omukafiasia. No scout on the Africa there is no one World Cup now. Yeah.
Waboka Fasobia Maso.
No progress. In fact, it's a tax. Yeah. And you must see Ghana. Ghana said you call the World Cup. No? Not just the Africa qualification. Absolutely. We need Ghana black satellite at the World Cup.
Absolutely. Christian Dasi bebre me sure say nyame boy china ensem no de bebre beba na yetie for so any age bright ye boy Taylor so atena say na o say BYT nyame boy china nyame boy weekend sorry o ye kotepa na tepa ye ko ne ye kwa kujao na nyame ya dom na ya pel papa krabre na chese bibia tumi atodin na ehfa pote mini say tepa ne ye ko na ehfa pote ne ye ko na sembe so na wo ka che tie for.
Yeah, Obi Midasi, your quarter patchore, and Nufri man cranso qua, Ufru outra crumino and would tepa. Ho, and me papa, the late Mr. Solomon Yaboa, do not have friend master coach.
Okay.
And
no a master, no sense a coach.
I say coach.
Wow.
Saturday and Sunday day.
Okay.
Tepachichore.
Okay.
To the Esra do for you know more.
Yeah.
Say mumra mijame.
Okay. Fantastic. Me kwa ka pese me di kan fiada no. Ka o ba beto me wo. Na chese. Ai.
Ti ye be ko na ja.
Okay.
Ya tutu ni makama na.
Fantastic.
Jam for so abijam.
Yeah.
Obi TMS.
TMS no.
Domestic and international.
Say domestic and international nya.
Boom.
Say boom. One computer, one software.
Sir, me ka say unse homu.
Say all the player na kwa brochure no. Oh, I know they say ya to brochure transfer marketing. It's there local. Ya had. It's interclub.
Na my story be.
Wilfred Kobna.
Sani dara na me hu say. No. Oya eligible so be say abo abenia.
Okay. Because of Black Stars that. But was it a friendly game? Was it a competitive game?
It was a
waffle tournament.
Yeah, nations sub ahaseno. Nations cup no. Yebono. Ya sign sub. Yewo North Africans no on board there. Yewo Southern Africa on friend Kusafa.
Yeah, Kusafa Cup.
Yewo Eastern Africa.
Yeah.
And now yewo ye West Africa.
Yeah, the new waffle no.
Obobi Oshisi goes on the cup.
No correct.
Enti e can international caps
no. That means to me more Albania for
FIFA recognizing no.
Yeah.
And at age 29 fe na kwa Nigeria ma.
The hustle is real. Boss more players be Said Haise no Napoli. In fact Enra goalkeeper Dama Lazio Thomas Strakosha.
Okay.
Also free Albania. Strakosha free Albania.
Afena unia ko
Abrabono
me nya sure say obetimi akeke ball for
yes, you have to do. I was say a double check but we say waje passport no enti passport no de be ya adwuma kakra na che say won wadani krom ho ni
ha say we euro odi euros
Albania kroni nyina om so me be 2 million kroni nyina om 2.8
wayere no ho bia no
obetimi di MP kra
obetimi aye
nipa 2.8 de e for say Kumase eno ani Albania nti oya wado betimi agini din pa o ti say
asa ne dia wa famu ntam do
say
2 years what
na chrome here 2.8 there so omo here nipa
you say you fast now
Albania o ko den Albania omo ku right Abu Taylor and Oten in Kano. Real Madrid starting 11 no and Real Madrid lineup no confirmed lineup number na man who say Jovic Luka Jovic started Zidane nyoma bio na neno yempe how bia Zidane Luka Jovic out in started there na o share that pass mama because ya mu no goals no ma now Sunday Benzema at na bench Benzema no kakra akokra anko ye kakra obetumi anya goals na man no Real Madrid lineup Thibaut Courtois Ferland Mendy Rafael Varane Eder Militao Marcelo Luka Modric Casemiro Federico Valverde Rodrigo Luka Jovic and Asensio well ya Montpellier Malos ebesia kan ama Shakhtar Donetsk Malos oni tite omuni ball ne papa ye Benzema crowd here Benzema to bench
confirm the
Benzema to bench Toni Kroos to bench Vinicius to bench say Benzema sorry say Zidane yeah him to me oh Champions League no jisana now here bra ball the be say Zidane oh yeah to me oh I say senior man no abrabo abon oh just say ebeye me just say ebeye be white ebeye why baby abe fine
Shakhtar Donetsk
Dentio Malos crowd misro Malos so no Brazil ni Malos Brazil ni say Obama Ukraine Malos onimbo bobasa but me sure say Varane nom ebe adwuma be white here that be brave yeah that time your friend Kwabena free or be on behalf of the team yeah do bibias nyame boy china be sign ababio na de ohobia no chairman Bright can come bodu tina say 10 to 12:30 yeah dia okensie hu nsem emu ehwam amfaso also enye dede bebre enye kasa bebre educative of course you have to join us at 10 on Pure 95.7 FM the very latest in sports but coming up DJ Slim the supreme bigger figure or the Pure Drive na Pure Drive no also tie DJ Slim and Sana Slim beba no happy birthday to Villare Nicole Obinsika happy birthday me sure say me hese menya cake kakra bia befia na Champions League ni ntino schedule near tight but ni nyina I'll try my possible best but happy birthday we free o sister Penny ho and our mama Nanama our known say me wish you happy birthday of course from all of the family wishing you a happy birthday. So on behalf of the team Jacob Achusebe Bright can come Bwedu Abigail Dubois Bright Yeboah Taylor Ijare Darlene Paul Christian Edusai and the Casillas have a great day. Coming up DJ Slim is on with a Pure Drive.
And they call me UJ. When you need a shoulder to cry, run on my pumpy, so we try what you side. Let bygone be bygone. I didn't see what the button gonna do, we go straight to start. And I gonna take you to next level. My baby, oh yeah. The energy next level. Back baby, oh yeah. I'll take you to next level.
go next level. Excessive